Hello everyone, this is Kanika and today we are discussing about a topic most famous crime against women. The force committed against women mostly by man taken various forms: sexual assault, molestation, marital abuse or naturally household abuse. Whatever be the shape and extent, it is a punishable crime. However, owing to the country's cooked and logging judiciary system, often such crimes go unaddressed. The rates of violence against women keep on increasing everywhere, and the rape cases are so general. Rapists are nothing. Rapists are nothing. Just animals. Just animals. The crime against women in India are continuously increasing. Mostly these crimes result in lifelong trauma or deaths. Deaths of girls for dowry are one such example of crime committed against Indian women. According to the old age tradition, the bride's family is supposed to reward the groom with a considerable sum of money. This is a concept of dowry. Dowry stands for D. Donkeys of the first order. W. Who can't stand on their own feet. R. Rely on their wives. Y. Yet shameless. In rural areas, the people are really poor, so brides usually belonging to a poor household and unable to meet the groom's high demand for the dowry money. They fail to fulfill and pay the amount the grooms asks for. In such cases, often the bride fall victim to verbal and physical abuse regularly by grooms, and also repeated that take some money from your father's home. The woman is beaten, abused and regularly molested for her family's incapability to fulfill the dowry. So, dowry death cases are to be mostly seen. By speaking these lines, I remember a poem of my class 6th civics book, a daughter's wish poem. Father inherited her house from his father. Father inherited her house from his father, and everyone says he will leave it to it brother. And everyone says he will leave it to it brother. But what about me and my mother? To accept a share in my father's home is not very womanly, I am told. But I really want a place of my own, not dowry of silk and gold. Not dowry of silk and gold. This poem is really heart touching and emotional. Accepted her with love. Accepted her with love. An educated bride is a lot better than a lakh currency. An educated bride is lot better than a lakh currency. Stop the dowry and hang the rapist. Stop the dowry and hang the rapist. Rapes are non-consensual sexual activities from a large portion of violence committed against Indian women. Rape is typically the sexual intercourse carried on the woman without her consent. As of everyday newspaper, we see many rape cases and crimes committed against women. It is indeed true that women are now becoming more aware and open about the topic of rape. They are opening us about their own stories of sexual assault, etc. However, the numbers in India keep increasing. The perpetrators often go unpunished. Respect females, and respect females. As we know, crime against women are widely increasing. So, safety of women in India has become an important task. Not a day goes by where you don't hear the news of crime against women like sexual harassment, dowry deaths, molestations, and many other. In fact, there are at least 5 news articles that tells us about the horrific details of various crimes. It is extremely painful to watch the status of women's safety in India, especially in a country where a woman given the status of goddess. Acid attack is also done with girl. If they are not agreed for anything, they are pushed to do, or otherwise they are threatened for acid attack. After some mishappening, there is a big fault of the girl's family. Their family stopped girls for protest against those who threatened girls. Even sometimes the family kills their daughter in the name of the honor to keep up the reputation of their family. Thus, list continues as crime against women are on the rise. Although the list of the crime is increasing, we can take measure to ensure women's safety in our country. Firstly, the government must make stringent laws that ensure the punishment of criminals. They must consider women as equal so they don't think of harming them. We must ask men to change their thinking and work to make the world a safer place for women. Stop violence against women. Stop violence against women. Thanks.